Telemedicine, a term coined in the 1970s, refers to the use of telecommunications technology to provide healthcare services remotely. This innovative approach has revolutionized the way patients receive medical care, especially in remote or underserved areas. Through telemedicine, patients can consult with healthcare providers, receive diagnoses, and even undergo treatment without the need for in-person visits. One interesting fact about telemedicine is its ability to bridge the gap between patients and specialists. In many rural areas, access to specialized medical care is limited, leading to disparities in healthcare outcomes. Telemedicine allows patients to connect with specialists located in urban centers, ensuring they receive the best possible care regardless of their geographic location. Furthermore, telemedicine has proven to be a cost-effective solution for both patients and healthcare providers. By reducing the need for physical infrastructure and streamlining administrative processes, telemedicine can lower healthcare costs and improve efficiency. This is particularly beneficial for patients with chronic conditions who require frequent monitoring and follow-up care. Despite its numerous benefits, telemedicine also faces challenges and limitations. Issues such as data security, regulatory compliance, and technological barriers need to be addressed to ensure the safe and effective delivery of telemedicine services. Additionally, concerns about the quality of care provided remotely compared to traditional in-person visits remain a topic of debate within the healthcare community. Overall, telemedicine represents a significant advancement in healthcare delivery, offering convenience, accessibility, and efficiency to patients and providers alike. As technology continues to evolve, the potential for telemedicine to transform the healthcare landscape and improve patient outcomes is immense. Telemedicine offers a plethora of benefits that have the potential to transform healthcare delivery. One of the key advantages of telemedicine is increased access to care, particularly for individuals living in remote or underserved areas. Patients who previously faced barriers to healthcare due to geographic constraints can now easily connect with healthcare providers through telemedicine platforms. This improved access not only enhances patient outcomes, but also reduces healthcare disparities. Another significant benefit of telemedicine is its convenience. Patients no longer need to travel long distances or wait for appointments to receive medical care. Instead, they can consult with healthcare professionals from the comfort of their own homes, saving time and resources. Additionally, telemedicine has been shown to increase patient engagement and satisfaction. By providing a more accessible and personalized healthcare experience, patients are more likely to actively participate in their treatment plans and follow-up care. Moreover, telemedicine has the potential to improve healthcare efficiency and reduce costs. Through remote consultations and monitoring, healthcare providers can optimize their workflows and allocate resources more effectively. This streamlined approach not only benefits healthcare organizations, but also translates to cost savings for patients. Interestingly, telemedicine has also been instrumental in expanding the reach of medical education and training. Healthcare professionals can now participate in virtual conferences, workshops, and training sessions, regardless of their physical location. This exchange of knowledge and expertise contributes to continuous learning and skill development within the healthcare industry. Furthermore, telemedicine plays a crucial role in disaster response and emergency situations. During natural disasters or public health emergencies, telemedicine enables rapid communication and coordination among healthcare teams, ensuring timely and effective care for affected populations. Overall, the benefits of telemedicine in healthcare are vast and multifaceted, offering improved access, convenience, efficiency, patient engagement, cost savings, educational opportunities, and emergency response capabilities. Telemedicine, despite its numerous benefits, faces several challenges and limitations that need to be addressed to ensure its widespread adoption and effectiveness. One of the primary challenges of telemedicine is the issue of data security and patient privacy. Transmitting sensitive medical information over digital networks raises concerns about the potential for data breaches and unauthorized access. Healthcare providers must implement robust security measures and adhere to strict privacy regulations to safeguard patient data. Another significant challenge is the variability in state regulations and licensing requirements for telemedicine practices. The lack of uniformity in regulations across different jurisdictions can create barriers to the seamless delivery of telemedicine services, hindering its scalability and reach. Additionally, technological barriers, such as limited internet connectivity and access to digital devices, pose challenges for patients, particularly those in rural or low-income areas. Without reliable technology infrastructure, patients may struggle to engage effectively in telemedicine consultations, limiting the accessibility of care. Moreover, concerns about the quality of care provided through telemedicine compared to traditional in-person visits remain a point of contention. Some healthcare professionals and patients question the accuracy of remote diagnoses and the effectiveness of virtual treatment plans, highlighting the need for further research and validation of telemedicine practices. Ethical considerations also play a significant role in the adoption of telemedicine. Issues such as informed consent, continuity of care, and the establishment of a patient-provider relationship in a virtual setting raise complex ethical dilemmas that require careful consideration and ethical guidelines. Furthermore, reimbursement policies and insurance coverage for telemedicine services present financial challenges for both healthcare providers and patients. The lack of standardized reimbursement models and limited insurance coverage for virtual consultations can impede the financial sustainability of telemedicine practices. Despite these challenges, ongoing advancements in technology, regulatory frameworks, and healthcare policies are addressing many of the limitations of telemedicine. By overcoming these obstacles, telemedicine has the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery and improve patient outcomes on a global scale. Artificial organs, also known as bioengineered organs or bionic organs, are man-made devices designed to replicate the functions of natural organs in the human body. These innovative creations have the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine by providing life-saving solutions for patients with organ failure or dysfunction. One interesting fact about artificial organs is their diverse range of applications across different medical specialties. From artificial hearts and kidneys to lungs and pancreases, researchers and engineers have made significant strides in developing bioengineered organs that closely mimic the structure and function of their natural counterparts. Another fascinating aspect of artificial organs is their use in transplantation surgeries. Patients awaiting organ transplants often face long waiting times due to organ shortages. Artificial organs offer a promising alternative by providing temporary or permanent solutions to bridge the gap until a suitable donor organ becomes available. Additionally, artificial organs have the potential to address ethical concerns surrounding organ donation and allocation. By reducing the reliance on donor organs, artificial organs offer a sustainable and ethical approach to meeting the growing demand for organ transplants. As technology continues to advance, the development of artificial organs holds immense promise for improving patient outcomes, extending lifespan, and enhancing quality of life for individuals in need of organ replacement therapies. Advancements in artificial organ technology have propelled the field of regenerative medicine to new heights, offering hope and life-changing solutions to patients with organ failure. One of the most remarkable advancements in artificial organ technology is the development of bioengineered organs using three-dimensional printing techniques. Researchers have successfully created complex organ structures, such as hearts and livers, by layering bioinks composed of living cells onto biocompatible scaffolds. This groundbreaking approach allows for the customization of artificial organs to match the specific anatomical and physiological needs of individual patients, reducing the risk of rejection and improving overall transplant outcomes. Another significant advancement in artificial organ technology is the integration of smart materials and nanotechnology to enhance the functionality of bioengineered organs. Smart materials such as hydrogels and shape memory polymers can respond to external stimuli and mimic the dynamic properties of natural tissues, enabling artificial organs to adapt to changing physiological conditions within the body. Nanotechnology, on the other hand, enables precise control over the structure and function of artificial organs at the molecular level, leading to improved biocompatibility, durability, and performance. One of the most exciting developments in artificial organ technology is the use of stem cells and tissue engineering to regenerate damaged or diseased organs. Stem cells have the remarkable ability to differentiate into various cell types, making them ideal candidates for generating functional tissues for transplantation. By combining stem cell technology with advanced tissue engineering techniques, researchers have successfully created bioengineered organs that closely resemble their natural counterparts in terms of structure and function. These bioengineered organs have shown promising results in preclinical studies, demonstrating the potential to revolutionize organ transplantation and regenerative medicine. Artificial organs are not limited to replicating the functions of natural organs. They can also enhance human capabilities beyond physiological norms. Bionic organs, such as artificial limbs and sensory implants, have enabled individuals with disabilities to regain mobility, dexterity, and sensory perception. By integrating advanced robotics, sensors, and neural interfaces, bionic organs can restore lost functionalities and improve the quality of life for individuals with limb loss or sensory impairments. Furthermore, artificial organs have the potential to revolutionize drug testing and personalized medicine. Organ-on-a-chip technology, which involves culturing human cells on microfluidic devices to mimic the structure and function of organs, allows for more accurate and predictive drug testing compared to traditional cell culture models. These organ-on-a-chip platforms can simulate the complex interactions between different organs in the body, providing valuable insights into drug efficacy, toxicity, and personalized treatment strategies. The field of artificial organ technology is rapidly evolving, driven by interdisciplinary collaborations between scientists, engineers, clinicians, and industry partners. By harnessing the power of cutting-edge technologies such as 3D printing, smart materials, nanotechnology, stem cells, and tissue engineering, researchers are pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of regenerative medicine and organ transplantation. With continued innovation and investment in artificial organ technology, we are on the cusp of a new era in healthcare, where personalized, sustainable, and life-saving solutions are within reach for patients in need of organ replacement therapies. Artificial organ transplants have yielded remarkable success stories, showcasing the transformative potential of regenerative medicine and advanced technologies. One such inspiring tale is that of Luke Masella, who received a bioengineered bladder transplant at the age of 10. Luke was born with a rare bladder condition that severely impacted his quality of life. Thanks to the pioneering work of Dr. Anthony Atala and his team at the Wake Forest Institute for Regenerative Medicine, Luke underwent a groundbreaking surgery where a bladder scaffold seeded with his own cells was implanted. Today, Luke is a thriving young adult with a fully functional bladder, demonstrating the long-term viability and efficacy of bioengineered organs. Another notable success story is the case of Claudia Castillo, the world's first recipient of a bioengineered windpipe transplant. Claudia suffered from a collapsed trachea due to tuberculosis, leaving her with severe breathing difficulties. Dr. Paolo Macchiarini and his team at the Karolinska Institute in Sweden created a synthetic windpipe using Claudia's stem cells and a donor trachea scaffold. The transplant was a resounding success, allowing Claudia to breathe normally and regain her quality of life. These success stories highlight the potential of artificial organ transplants to revolutionize healthcare and offer hope to patients with organ failure. In addition to individual cases, artificial organ transplants have also made significant strides in the field of research and development. The first successful artificial heart transplant was performed in 1982, marking a major milestone in the history of cardiac surgery. The patient, Barney Clark, lived for 112 days with the artificial heart, paving the way for future advancements in mechanical circulatory support devices. Similarly, the field of artificial pancreas transplants has seen promising developments in the treatment of diabetes. Bioengineered pancreas devices that mimic the functions of the natural organ have shown great potential in regulating blood sugar levels and improving insulin production in diabetic patients. These success stories underscore the transformative impact of artificial organ transplants on patient outcomes and the future of regenerative medicine. Ethical considerations play a crucial role in the use of artificial organs, raising complex questions about patient autonomy, consent, and equity in healthcare. One key ethical consideration is the issue of organ allocation and access. As artificial organs become more advanced and widely available, ensuring fair and equitable distribution to patients in need is essential to prevent disparities and promote social justice. Additionally, the concept of enhancement versus treatment raises ethical dilemmas in the use of artificial organs. While these devices can improve quality of life and functionality for individuals with organ failure, questions arise about the ethical boundaries of enhancing human capabilities beyond natural norms. Furthermore, the long-term implications of artificial organ transplants on patient identity and psychological well-being are important ethical considerations. Patients who receive bioengineered organs may grapple with questions of self-perception, body image, and the impact of technology on their sense of self. Finally, the issue of informed consent and patient autonomy is paramount in the use of artificial organs. Patients must be fully informed about the risks, benefits, and alternatives of artificial organ transplants to make autonomous decisions about their health care. Addressing these ethical considerations is essential to ensure the responsible and ethical use of artificial organs in healthcare. The future of medicine holds exciting prospects with advancements such as personalized medicine, gene editing, and regenerative therapies. Personalized medicine tailors treatment plans to individual genetic profiles, optimizing efficacy and minimizing side effects. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR offer the potential to correct genetic mutations and prevent hereditary diseases. Regenerative therapies, including stem cell treatments and tissue engineering, hold promise for repairing damaged tissues and organs. Additionally, artificial intelligence and big data analytics are revolutionizing healthcare delivery and disease management. These innovations are reshaping the landscape of medicine, offering new possibilities for precision medicine and improved patient outcomes.